Tableau Interface Tour, the Workspace. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau Courses. Tableau Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.Courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will familiarize yourself with Tableau's Workspace. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Tableau's Workspace is easy to navigate and interact with. Let's have a look together. Tableau's Workspace allows you to explore and transform your data, build powerful visualization, derive meaningful insights, and make smart decisions. 5 main components make the Tableau Workspace. Component 1. The data pane. You can find it on the left of your screen. At the top of the pane, it displays your sources. In the rest of the pane, Tableau shows the fields within your source, organizing them by dimensions, blue icons, and measures, green icons. Dimensions are qualitative values useful to segment your data. Measures are quantitative values that you can aggregate. Examples of dimensions can be strings, dates, or geographical data. Examples of measures can be quantities, prices, or distances. Component 2. The view. On the right side of your screen, you can find the view. Here is where you build your visualization. You do so by dragging and dropping fields on the columns and rows. Columns correspond to the x-axis and rows to the y-axis. Component 3. The marks. Marks allow you to customize the behavior of the fields inside your view. You can change colors and size, add text and tooltip, add details. Component 4. The filters. The filter component lets you filter the data inside the view. Component 5. The Show Me. The Show Me pane suggests what type of visualization you can build with the data available inside your view. Congratulations! You are now familiar with Tableau's Workspace. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau Courses. Tableau Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.